Hi kids! Now we are going to learn about the place value in math. So, are you ready? Okay. First question. What is the place value? The place value of each digit within a number is made up of digits. So, we need to be able to say the location of each digit. So within the number, as this can help us understand how large or small the number is. To determine the value of digit within a number, we label each column with title like this. Alright, so can you see these numbers on the bar graph? So the first number labeled as ones, the second is tens, and the third is 100, next 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and the last is million. So, what is the place value of 2? That is ones. The second number is digit. What digit is this? 6. So, the place value of 6 is tens. And the third digit is hundreds. And the digit 9 belongs to the thousands. And 5 is 10,000s. Next is the digit 1 is 100,000. And last digit 7 is millions. So guys, how about this one? So take a look. Can you see this first digit 2? What is the place value of the digit 2? Ones. Very good. What is the place value of digit 5? Tens. What is the place value of digit 4? Hundreds. The place value of 1, here the last digit is thousand. So when we are going to place it in a value, it will become, what is the place of this 2? So it will become 2, and the 5 will become 50, and the 4 will become 400, and the 1 will become 1000. So here the question, what digit is the 5 here? So the digit is 5. So what is the value of tens place here? So here is the ones, here is the tens. So the place value of 5 here is 50. Very good. Okay, can you see this chart? This chart shows the place value of the numbers. So here, 1 will be ones, 10 will be tens, 100 will become 100, 1000 will become 1000. So the 10,000 here it will become 100,000. The next is 1 million. Next to 1 million is 10 million. That would be the place value on the chart. Okay,